Okay, ladies and gentlemen, toilet water. Okay, wow, what a hell of a name for a drink. Nothing, excuse me, bartender. May I have 2 toilet waters, please? Okay, that noise that you just heard is Sheena botching this whole show. Okay, ice in a, what would you call this? Dispenser, our giant jar, our punch bowl thingy. Okay, so we start off with vodka. Let me tell you something about these kinds of drinks though. I personally do not like to add ice right off the bat. Okay, so we get vodka in there. We get triple sec in there. Okay. Followed by some lemon lime soda. Love it. Flow, 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 flow. Okay, now I'm assuming we're coming over the top. Oh, we're coming over the top, not with blue curacao, but with mixed berry powerade. And this one's called toilet water. Okay, now I'm gonna tell you how I would do this though. I would want to leave out the ice and just make a bigger batch of the drink, unless you need the ice to actually dilute the drink, okay? Because you can get more servings out of it if the person has ice in their glass, as they if there's ice in that glass, as opposed to you know, putting ice into the original mix. So keep the original mix ice free.